So good morning riders once again. Today we shall be fitting these Barkbusters onto my Triumph Tiger Rally Pro, as the original ones that come with the bike are very flimsy and just made out of plastic. So in the case you drop the bike off-roading, you most probably will break these and also break the levers, and that's the last thing you want to do whilst you are off-roading in the middle of nowhere. Break the levers of the clutch. Brake should be okay more or less because you got the back brake, but obviously the clutch is another story. So we shall be opening up. These are the covers, the wind protectors, and these are the actual Barkbusters themselves. So I believe all you will need to install these Barkbusters is a 14mm spanner, which I have forgot at home. So luckily enough I had an adjustable in my toolbox in the bike, and a 4mm Allen key. So I had to go down home to pick up the Loctite, so I managed to get the 14mm spanner. So what we're going to do now is going to take the original handguards off, and for that we'll have to take off the mirror, which is attached. The handguard is attached to the mirror clamp, and the 4mm spanner there. That was nice and quick and easy. So all handguard off. We'll just save this bolt in case we need it to fit on the Barkbusters. So before you fit the Barkbusters, make sure that this is facing upwards, as you can see here, and not down. This is wrong. This is the wrong way to fit them. You have to make sure you fit them with this stick going up, as per instructions. So just mainly follow the instructions. You've got a diagram here which explains the right side. Just do exactly the same on the left side. Very simple to do. And I'm getting the bike ready now for my next tour in the next couple of weeks, which will be Portugal, the ACT off-road. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do. It would help me quite a lot, and it would give me big motivation to carry on with my videos and creating good content for you guys. So it supplies you with a spacer, which the spacer will go here. I'll add a tiny bit of Loctite. Do not tighten it all the way up until everything is assembled. Once everything is assembled, you can make the final tightening. This one we're going to use a 4mm. Just going to tightly barely move. You see it's quite loose. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Now we have this part here, which I'm going to add a bit of. This one you do not need to add Loctite, as it's got a nylock on the nuts, so that should be fine. So on this one the same again. We go for the bigger Allen key, 5mm, and we shall not tighten it fully. Just leave it barely tightened. And once we get everything aligned and probably fixed on, we can make final adjustments and tightening. A bit of Loctite. Make sure you tighten this equally, couple of turns each side. So once you got it all level and nice, think that should be it there. You can start tightening up all bolts. Make sure you tighten these ones a couple of turns each side to make it level. And once you finish this side, you can jump on straight on to the other side. I've done the left hand side first, and then I'll jump onto the right hand side, but literally it's up to you what you want to do. So we shall repeat the same as we did on the other side to the right hand side now. So we're nearly done with the Barkbusters now. They're firmly on, mirrors back on. Now all we got is I've put the covers, the windbreakers. So for these ones, you've got two positions for the top. You can install it just the VPS by itself. This one is a Barkbusters VPS model, or you can add the extra windshield, which has two positions, low and high. I'm gonna put it on the high position. We get two sets of screws. Long ones are to fix the shields onto the Barkbusters, and the short ones are to fit the wind protectors on. So I'm going to go for the highest position. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so my Barkbusters are fitted on now. They're firmly and secured. Everything with Loctite, covers on, mirrors back on, and please let me know what you think about them down in the comments below. I think they will do an awesome job in protecting my levers and my hands in case she drops off or whilst I'm off-roading. And obviously, if you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Safe ride, riders.